你好，你好. Hey, my name is Becky. Welcome to my Chinese lessons for beginners. Before we start, I would like to ask you, do you know what is Mandarin Chinese? When we mention Mandarin Chinese, we may refer to these three words. The first one is 普通话. 普通话 exactly means Mandarin Chinese. The second one is 中文. 中 stands for China, and 文 means written language. So 中文 means Chinese language, or you can say means the language used in China. Okay, the third one is 汉语. Han stands for Han ethnic group. There are 56 ethnic groups in China, and Han is the majority. And Yu means spoken language. So Hanyu exactly means the language spoken by the Han majority in China. Okay, but nowadays when we mention the Chinese language, no matter we say 中文 or 汉语 or 普通话, mostly we mean 普通话, which is the standard language in China, Mandarin Chinese. Okay, so just now I said 你好,你好,你好 means hello in Mandarin Chinese. This is what it looked like. So this size is called 汉字. 汉字 is our writing system. And when we just started to learn this language, we will see something like this. 你好. Yes, this is called 拼音. 拼音 is our phonetic system. So what do we use pinyin for? There are two ways to use pinyin. The first way is to use it as a phonetic tool for Chinese characters. So in China, if we don't know what's the pronunciation of a new character, we will look it up in the dictionary and find the pinyin. Then we know the pronunciation. And the second way is to use it as a typing tool. So when we type the Chinese characters on the keyboard, on the keyboard, there are only the Latin characters. So we type with pinyin. Then it comes out with the characters. And we choose the right characters. Okay, so how to learn Mandarin Chinese? That's what we are going to talk about in next lesson. See you then.